Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow-mo here, and now we can record something in slow-mo. So I'm just as usual gonna record some toilet paper spin, but in slow-mo. So let's get it. So here we can check out how this recording looks like. So as you can see now my toilet paper became slow. Like what? It's so strange. But you have seen like this slow motion. So yeah, this is not what I meant, but it also shows how slow motion looks like. Okay. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.